Isaiah 45:7. I formed the light and created darkness. I make peace and created evils. I, the Lord, do all these things. Isaiah 28:2. Behold, the Lord has a mighty and strong one, which as a tempest of hell and a destroying storm, as a flood of mighty waters overflowing, shall cast down to the earth with the hand. Isaiah 29:6. Thou shalt be visited, punished of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquakes and great noise, with storms and tempests and the flame of devouring fire.
The whole back half of the house was gone. Bedrooms, living room, half the living room. Mother Nature wins, and she wants you, she takes you.
Never expected my whole house to disappear. There's nothing else we can do. This is all we've got, and it's gone.
Three hours of traffic.
They giving credit to Mother Nature. No, credit goes to Yahweh Ba'ashim Al-Shai, not Mother Nature. Yahweh Ba'ashim Al-Shai did this. Yahweh Ba'ashim Al-Shai is sending these evils. You know, this couple got their house, everything that they hold dear to stripped from them. The Lord's not playing. Talking about Mother Nature. No, Yahweh Ba'ashim Al-Shai. No other God, no other entity that Esau's pushes out there, man. Giving all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh Ba'ashim Al-Shai. The ones who are teachers, the apostles, the others, a great millstone, GMS, taught us the truth according to the Bible, who's being great example to us in the faith. And double shalom, citation to the icon, source of full winds, pushing this word, true faith and sincerity, also giving diligence. Shalom.